Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to delete a Discord server on your Windows PC guys. I show you guys how to delete it. Open up Discord. You just need to click on the server you want to delete it and select the server name and select the server settings. On left side you just need to scroll down to the bottom and select delete server. You just need to enter server name to delete it guys. To confirm it, INDIA, click on delete server, and now the server has been deleted guys, as you can see. This way you can delete any server in your PC guys. This server will permanently deleted guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.